Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we will study verbs which are called action words. So let me give a quick recap of what we did in our previous video. In previous video we learned about conjunction, which means joining word. So let's move on detail what is verb. Before we move in detail, like, subscribe and share the video. So here are verb. What is verb? A verb tells what subject does or is. It shows an action of noun or state of noun. Noun is not applicable because pronouns are also used in place of noun. So if the noun or pronoun is in the first, it is called subject. So a verb tells what the subject does or is. It shows an action of subject or state of subject. So verbs are of many types. First, action verbs. Physical activities or actions mean it shows physical activities or actions. Example, dance, eat, etc. Then next comes state verb. Shows situation or state which is not in action. For example, he have three luxury pens means he has three pens. Here he is not doing means energy is not using, but he has three pens, which means he bought those pens or he make those pens by actually there are many crafting classes which we can use to make multiple things. So it shows situation or state which is non-action. Then third comes main verb, have their own meaning. If we say that action words are also main verbs, there is no confusion. We will study in details. Transitive verbs needs object to be used means without object the sentence is pending. And second, intransitive verbs does not need object to work means it is these both are opposite of each other. Then next, helping verb, it have no meaning at their own means these are used sometimes in cases. Next, primary verbs, it comes with an verb to show meaning. So these are verbs which means helping verbs are of two types, primary and modals. So primary verbs, it comes with verb to show meaning means it is not independent, it is used to show ability, permission, etc. Sometimes dependently or independently means there are many models in modal verbs in which some can most of the can be used independently and most of can't be used independently and only few can be used independently. So next are irregular and regular verbs. Second and third forms are added with ed. Second and third forms are different means in regular verbs these are on second and third forms are added only with ed, but in irregular verbs second and third forms are different. So before moving in detail, I again request you to like, comment, share and subscribe if not subscribed. Then comes next point, please comment your doubts and give me new suggestions to work. So first are action verbs. Action verbs shows physical actions or activities. Example, Sham dances on stage. She will eat food. It can be used by adding ing forms. Example, Sham is dancing on stage. She will be eating food. So action verb shows action basically in which the physical actions or activities are done. Next comes state verb. State verb shows state and situation of subject. They are also called linking verbs. He is having three luxury pens. It is wrong because it is grammatically incorrect. So the correct sentence is he have three luxury pens. It cannot be used with ing. So let's move on another topic. Here we come with the concept of main verbs. Main verbs are very useful. They can be used independently. They are of two types. So, main verbs are verbs which we use in our daily life, and these are also the action words, means action words are also included in it, but these are not considered as its type. So, first is transitive verbs. Transitive verbs need object to work. Example, you are eating a cake. In the clause eating a cake, verb eating is pending without cake. For example, you are eating a. Here, if there is no cake, so see, then read. You are eating a. So it is not making any sense. So you are eating a cake is correct sentence. Then next comes intransitive verbs. Verbs doesn't need object to work. Example, he does not studies. In the clause in sentence, the eating was transitive, but study can be used independently. Main verbs are thousands and thousands. Then next comes the concept of helping verbs. Helping verbs help the main verb to work. So these are mainly of two types: primary verbs and modal verbs. Primary verbs are limited because but sometimes they can be used independently. Here the primary verbs are main helping verbs. For example, be these are of three types, means these have three parts: be, do, and have, and these have different forms. They have many forms, as I have tell. Be's form are is, are, am, was, were, being, etc. uh, do has only three forms: do, does, he, and he has have, has, and having, and sometimes had. So example, I do work. Here it is used independently. And he is cooking food. Here the main verb means the main point to say that it is he is cooking food, means here the cooking is verb, but here is his helping verb, because without it he cooking food does not makes any sense. Then next comes second type, modal verbs. Modal verbs are used to show specific mood. They are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to. There are three semi-modals which can be used dependently or independently. They are need, dare, used to. Need is also used with to, means need or need to. Example, he can carry 2 liters of water. Here the main verb is carry, but without can the sentence's meaning will be different. He carry 2 liters of water. This is showing simple present tense sentence, but can it is showing that it is showing his ability. I am saying it may rain today. I am without may. I am saying it rained today. Here, the double quoted sentence does not make any sense. So here may means I am not sure that it will rain today, but possibly it can rain today. Then next are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are verbs with V2 added with ed. For example, if we take example cook's second form is cooked and third form is also cooked, and here ed is added. So next are irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs where V3 and V2 are different. So let's move to examples. Here are examples. Regular. The base is work. This is V1 and do, it is also V1. Then past, worked and did, here ed is add, and in past participle, which is V3, worked, ed is add and done. So in irregular verbs, only two form matches or more, less than two, but in regular verbs ed is added, and past participle form only matches. But here past and past participle doesn't matches. This is formula for this. So hope you liked the video, and if you liked, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.